you. Good morning. I'll use the microphone. Testing, 1, 2. Good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome, bienvenidos. We've made it to another field day and also honor roll day, where we celebrate not only academic excellence, but your leadership as well. At Rowlett Middle, we know that there are so many things that it takes to become successful, right? Not just being smart, but also making sure that you're being a good person and being a leader, not only in the classroom, but outside of the classroom. So we are proud of all of you today for getting a little bit better each day, a little bit better each quarter. We really focus on continuous improvement here. Even Mr. Clark, right? Even your teachers. We want to model for you guys, just getting a little bit better every day. And even making mistakes, which I do. It's not the mistake that defines me, but how I grow and learn from it, right? So as we are really getting into third quarter, we're halfway through the year. And Ms. Erickson and Ms. Dean and I, and your teachers, we are just so impressed with you. To see you come in as sixth graders in August and looking up in the sky and not knowing where your classes are, not knowing how to submit your assignments to Google Classroom, not knowing how to advocate for yourself to get additional help, right? Learning 7 habits. It's not just about learning the 7 habits. Anybody can memorize something. It's about applying the 7 habits. And that's what middle school is all about, right? Learning, growing, making a mistake, learning from that mistake, and doing better. So we ask you to do just an inch better every day. And I think we all can accomplish that, right? It's not accomplishing all of your goals in one day, but it's making progress towards them every day, every quarter, all right? And you guys know I'm a football guy, sports guy, and I talk about halftime. And halftime is important in sports, all sports, because it gives you an opportunity to reflect. And it gives you an opportunity to think about what you're doing well and what you need to improve on. And I kind of see the break over holiday break. I don't say Christmas break, I say holiday break, because not everybody celebrates Christmas. So the break over holiday break is a time for you to reflect on the growth from first and second quarter, on how well you've done, and to, like we did last quarter, pat yourself on the back, right? Everybody, let's pat ourselves on the back for the awesome job that we did the first half of the year. So you're looking at the things you did great and the things you need to grow on, all right? And that's how we continue to get better. So halftime is what you do. And you come out after that, and then you have a game plan for success for the rest of the game. So the third quarter, you should have had time to reflect over break, get some rest, get recharged, and then come out with a plan on how to be successful third quarter. There are some of you that will receive an award for honor roll today that did not get it second quarter. That's growth. There are some of you that maybe reached that 3.4.3, and did not reach that 3.5. You still had a successful quarter, although now, what are you going to do to make sure that you achieve that goal? Turn in all your assignments, right? Be here. It's important to be at school. When you miss days, you miss instruction. I know sometimes we have to. There are injuries or illnesses, but we want you at school. Every day counts, okay? Also talking to your teachers. All these awesome educators and teachers here, they want to help you. But you have to ask for the help, right? Whether it's raising your hand or sending your teacher an email, which all of you know how to do by midway through the year. And I'm going to share with you a secret. There aren't a lot of middle schools around Manatee County where kids have the capability or the understanding to be able to communicate with their teachers via email. and how you're turning in your assignments, and how you're understanding all the lessons and applying them and showing your teachers what you know. You have to show your teachers what you know, just like in sports. You have to show your coach that you understand the assignment, you can go out there and execute. Same in class. All right? So, I know I'm like a broken record. I say the same thing every year. But it's simple. Hard work pays off. Be a good person. Treat others the way you want to be treated. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it, don't text it, don't post it. And do the right thing even when? And you guys already know that. Okay? So we are here today to celebrate the students who have achieved, we're calling it academic excellence, 3.5 and 4.0. And every time I say, you don't just roll out of bed getting a 4.0 or 3.5. It takes hard work. It takes dedication, not just being smart. And all of you have that capability, all right? And we want to see more of you here at the end of the quarter because you've reached this goal. But today we're here to celebrate those who have reached that 3.5 and 4.0. Okay? So I can talk to you all day, but we have 2 other grade levels that have to be here, and we have some fun to get to also this afternoon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start recognizing these awesome student leaders. What we're going to ask you to do is you're gonna come up, and I know sometimes I don't even like attention, but it's okay to embrace people recognizing you for a good job. It's okay, right? And you worked hard, and we want to recognize you for that. Also, what we want you to know is we're going to shake hands, and this is very important. When you shake a hand, you're going to give good eye contact, right? You're going to give a nice, firm handshake. I know you've been working out. You don't have to break our hands, right? So not too firm, but with enough strength to show confidence, right? You don't want a fishy handshake. That doesn't show confidence. So nice, firm handshake and eye contact as you come through, and then you're just going to go back to your class, to your table. Okay? Did I miss anything, Ms. Dean, Mr. Erickson? Oh, and you're going to walk this way, and you're going to go around. Remember, don't do like Mr. Clark did and walk right in front of the camera. Make sure you go around. Okay? All right, thank you. And Ms. Rousson, we appreciate you saying things today.
Okay, so for Ms. Cody's class, I'm going to call the names for the 4.0 honor roll. Ms. Frischman, she's already there. You already have your class there, Ms. Frischman? No. Okay, you can go ahead and have them lining up, ready to go. And the first student on the 4.0 honor roll is Silvana Burgos Pineo. Can we hold applause to the end so we can hear everyone's name? Rylan Claxon. Grace Kwan. Mateo Petrelli. Cody Smith. Rylan Splitgaber. Alexa Vasquez. Brinley Adams. Oh, I'm sorry. Now we're moving on to Miss Cody's 3.5 honor roll. Brinley Adams. Taylor Bash. Emily Bergbaum. Cannon Caps. Ellery Leopard. Ollie Markey. Rebecca Minty. Courtney Newman. Juliana Pacheco. Autumn Spence. And that does it for Miss Cody's class. Awesome. Okay, Miss Hilton and Miss Josie could start lining up while I call Miss Frischman's 4.0s. Zoe Balakrishnan. Nathaniel Brito Panera. Soraya McCown. Avery Snodgrass. Christopher Westbury. Declan Yates. And now for the 3.5 honor roll in Ms. Frischman's class, we have Carly Crawford. Julia Fernandez. Kate Friend. Giselle Gonzalez. Elena Rodarte. Noah Santos. And that does it for Miss Frischman's class. Good job, guys. All right, for Miss Pelton, we have our 4.0 honor roll, Harper Averill. Nathan Bass. Kenneth Kahns. Jacob Coots. Grant Macy. Micah Perez. Good job, Ms. Hilton's class. And Ms. Lopez's class can start lining up. All right, for Ms. Josie's class, here's our 4.0 honor roll. Michael Carolyn. Emily Goff. Annalise Jacobson. Thank you. London Knoll. Juliana Malecki. Juliana Nunez. Emma Reimer. Now we have our 3.5 honor roll for Miss Josie's class. Caitlin Burke. Paige Davies. Lila Matiasi. Jackson Shibley. Parker Schultz. Stephen Sheehan. Roland Siguler. Alexandra Taylor. All right, awesome job, Miss Josie's class. All right, now we have Miss Lopez's 4.0 honor roll, Diego Ski. Catherine Teich De Lorenzo. Olivia Bombach. Harrison Barnard. Alexa Bauer. Holden Chan. Macy Monroe. Avery Morelli. Marissa Yang. Sammy Yang. All right. Now we have Miss Lopez's, Miss Lopez's 3.5 honor roll. Giovanni D'Espinosa. Nehemiah Mendez. Gia Piermarini. Leandro Ramirez Fernandez. Kaylee Tripp. And that's it for Ms. Lopez. Awesome, guys. And the Mrs. Powers class can start lining up as well. All right, Miss Lung Miss, we have your 4.0 honor roll. We have Valerie Avila. And now we have your 3.5 honor roll, starting with Reagan Butler. Angel Calderon Abreu. Rocco Clinton. Gianni Juarez Alvarado. Sasha Romeo. All right, great job, Miss Lung, Mrs. Class. Mr. Powers class can start lining up now. Oh, and I have one more for, oh no. So for Mrs. Powers class, I have Grayson Saunders for the 3.5 honor roll. And Zakar Bonji. Ariana Rojas. Dominic Thomas. Dominic Thomas. Great job, Ms. Powers class. Then Mr. Reyes, yep, you got it. Okay, from Mr. Powers class, here's our 4.0 honor roll. Aaron Atari. Brayden Fennell Harkins. Eric Garcia Madariaga. Liam Glaser. Cassia Goodrich. Elisa Holiday. Isai Membrano Nadarin. Edgard Satsky. Davey Tonelli Zandomenico. All right, now for our 3.5 honor roll, we have Joshua Koblenz. Caden Edwards. Louis Miquez. Holton Sebastian. Good job, Mr. Powers class. All right, now we have Mr. Reyes, 4.0 honor roll. Bentley Cole. Daisy Ryan. Sayana Yanahara. Now for our 3.5 honor roll, everybody.
Almost done, guys. You're doing excellent.
Connor Bigelow. Cooper Gill. Amy J. Padilla. Chase Koch. Zoe Kokemuller. Very good. Ms. Shook's class. Next.
Was that the end of them? Let's give them a round of applause.
Awesome. Our 4.0 honor roll for Ms. Shook. We have Emmanuel Cortez Alban. Maver Perez Escalante. Alton Tussinger Bator. And for our 3.5 honor roll, we have Anthony Bell. Jace Cushman. Eliaquim Sanchez Lopez. All right, great job, Ms. Shook's class. For Ms. Steve's 4.0 honor roll, we have Carla Cortez Castillo, Margot Gross, Carissa Haroon, Marissa Juarez, Luke Labar, Alexis Lemieux, Myra Mangamela, Nika McMahon, Isabella Susingfet, Lila Timmons, Savannah Toomey. All right. And now for our 3.5 honor roll, we have Brixton Chavez, Jalen Matias Gomez, Ren Newman. Great job, Miss B. Everybody give everybody a round of applause. So proud of you guys. All right, well done, well done. All right, so if anyone did not get an award or a pin or a certificate, or I think there's a game pass as well for, is it Putt-Putt maybe? Please come see us after and we'll make sure that we get you yours, okay? Raise your hand if you attended tutoring during quarter 2. Okay. Raise your hand if you went to some enrichments during quarter 2. Awesome. See a lot more hands. Okay. Raise your hand if you ask questions in class. Well done. All right, you can put your hands down. So these are all things that are helping lead to success, right? And like Mr. Clark said, asking questions in class, talking to your teachers, emailing them, let them know when you're struggling. They will help you. On that note, can we give our teachers a big round of applause? So please, please, please reach out to them. On that note, some of you might be hearing from me this quarter. We might be starting to meet to see how we might support you a little differently. So maybe look for your emails from me. And teachers, I'll be emailing you as well. This afternoon, you guys get to go have some fun out on the field. Well done. Yep. So this is going to be not only for people that have made Valley, that have made good choices in class, but also good choices with behavior around campus, all right? So we want to celebrate you, so there's going to be popsicles, there's going to be games, music, and we hope that you guys have an awesome time out there. Again, if you did not get a certificate, please come on up and we will help you with that. Anything to add, Ms. Rice? Okay, we hope that you guys have a great rest of your Friday, and we'll see you